In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how we can easily add PDF attachments to emails by using Floe. This email is an order confirmation email, and what we'd like to do here is to add the receipt for the order as a PDF attachment to it. In the Add Dynamic Attachments dialog, we will select Payment Receipt as the email type and PDF as the file type. The payment receipt email type has also been delivered via the Floe Designer application and can be sent as an independent email. We can also utilize a Render.io service to convert it to a PDF and add it to the order confirmation email as an attachment, however. As we can see, the content of the two email types is very similar, and they share a number of common variables. These will be populated by the trigger program at runtime and will contain the same data in both documents. In the PDF settings section, we can determine aspects of the look and behavior of the generated PDF, the orientation, format, the actual name of the PDF file, whether it will be password protected or not, and any margins. Let us now use the test trigger page of the application to send a test email. As we can see, we have receipt PDF attached to the received email. The same data has been used to populate both the email and the PDF.